Farming today is more challenging than ever. Yield pressures, increasingly expensive inputs, consumer and stakeholder demands, changing climate. But farmers always find a way, because growing for the world isn't a 9-to-5, it's generations of life's work. For the past 100 years, farmers have relied on synthetic fertilizer to feed the world's growing population. This use of synthetic fertilizer comes with real consequences for soil, water, and the climate. What if you could be rewarded for better nitrogen? N-OVATOR is Pivot Bio's program that unites companies with farmers who are replacing synthetic fertilizer with Pivot Bio's microbes to do just that. The result? A better solution that benefits everyone. N-OVATOR pays farmers every crop cycle for using a nitrogen that's safer, easier, and more reliable. And N-OVATOR's validated nitrogen replacements enable leading-edge businesses to create immediate, permanent change to their company's emissions profile. It's a solution that's all upside. That means no choosing between thriving farms or a vibrant earth. Because when we capture, strengthen, and share the value of using better nitrogen, we create acres of transformation.